training session. My name is Oge Chimadukoma. Today we'll be looking at how to produce methylated spirit. You know what it is used for? It is used to clean the faces of wounds and also to clean rust and other electronics at home. So today we'll be producing just about 200 ml of methylated spirit. It's a simple process and it's straightforward. So I'll be producing it today using just 4 chemicals. One, I'll be using my IPA. This is IPA. I'll be using just about 100 ml of IPA. IPA here is an active ingredient. You know, if it is a disinfectant liquid, it is also used to produce an antiseptic like Dettol and the rest of them. I'll be using 100 ml of IPA, which is isopropyl alcohol. Then I'll be using my ethanol. Here I'll be using 80 ml. It will be acting as a solvent. It's a solvent in this formulation. And then I'll be using methanol. Methanol also is a solvent. I'll be using just 20 ml. And I'll be using menthol. Menthol here is optional. If you want, you can add. If you don't want, you can leave. But I'll be adding menthol because I want that icy, cooling effect that menthol has. So I'll be adding just about half teaspoon of menthol. So let's go right into production and produce a methylated spirit. Okay, so just get a bottle get a bottle. This bottle is 250 ml. Remember, I said we'll be producing about 200 ml. So just get a bottle or a bowl that is slightly bigger than your total batch of production. So the first, I'll pour in my IPA. You can pour them in no particular order. So I'll pour in my IPA into the bottle, and I'll pour in my ethanol. I poured in IPA. My IPA is 100 ml. My ethanol is 80 ml. Then I'll add 20 ml of methanol. It's also a solvent. I just want to mix it. You can decide to use only ethanol if you want to, but I'll be mixing it here. So I'll be adding methanol. That is, I'll be adding 20 ml. Sorry, I've added 10 ml. This is another 10 ml, making it 20 ml. So we have 200 ml of methylated spirit. Then I'll be adding my menthol. This is what it looks like. This will be about half teaspoon. It's optional if you want to, but I'll be adding because I want that full and ice effect that it has. So I'll be adding just half of it, half teaspoon. It's optional, like I said, and methylated. So you cover and you shake well. Shake well, and your methylated spirit is ready. You just allow your menthol to dissolve. It does not take time to dissolve. Once your menthol is dissolved, you pour into your bottle, you label them, and you start selling. You can get whatever bottle that you choose. These bottles, you can find them in the market. So our menthol is almost dissolved. It does not take time dissolving. Just ensure that it is well dissolved. You can leave it for about 10 minutes. We'll leave it for about 10 to 20 minutes and come back to see when it is well dissolved. Then we'll pour into our bottle. Thank you. Okay, so here we are back. Our methylated, I left it for just about 30 minutes because I was busy with something else. So you can see our methanol is completely melted. So our methylated spirit is ready. So pour it into your container, whatever container you choose to sell with. Pour it in. Most times they use containers with red cover, but you can choose whatever you want. Pour it in your methylated spirit. Get a printer to do a label for you. And one thing I love about this is that the containers already come like this. They are pre-corked. So once you cover it like this and you cover it, anybody that sees it will think that is machine that corked it because it's already corked. Anybody that tries to open it up now, it will break. So it is already sealed. It comes like this. They've made it easier for small users. So just go ahead, buy the chemicals produced and start selling. You can start. Thank you.